In a cold and quiet prison cell in the United States, a woman named Helen sat. Her face was yellow, and her eyes looked behind bars as if waiting for a visitor who never came, or perhaps all had understood. Helen was sentenced to life imprisonment in the 1980s for a murder she did not commit. She was only 26, trapped by circumstance, an incompetent lawyer, and a court void of justice. There was no clear evidence, yet the jury convicted her and the court sent her away for life. The true tragedy began on the day of her judgment when her infant child was taken away. Only an old photo and the burning ache in her heart kept her company. Years passed with each day cutting deeper into her soul, but one thing never wavered: her hope. On each of her son's birthdays, she wrote a letter. Not knowing where to send the letter, she placed each one in an old iron box beneath her prison cell. 40 letters over 40 years with not a single reply. Despite her surroundings, Helen kept herself alive with purpose. She became a teacher inside the prison, spreading what light she could. In 2000, as her life neared its twilight, a human rights organization revisited her case. New DNA evidence and a re-examination of the trial process revealed the true killer, who had never been apprehended. 33 years later, the court declared Helen innocent. Helen emerged from prison at 70 years old.